So we're rewriting my Neovim config, and instead of doing it the normal way, which is like just writing it like a regular human being, instead we made it impossibly difficult. Chat's going to be able to spend Teej coins, not a currency, by the way. It's part of a triangle system. They're going to send things like deleting my files, random stuff, changing color schemes. It's just going to be crazy, okay? So they're going to do all that stuff, and then we're going to try and rewrite my config. No copy paste, nothing else, write by scratch, etc. There we go. That's what we're going to do. The end. All right, so let's try this. Oh my goodness, that's not the right one. Require open. So now we should hopefully see select star from public.affect ledger, public.oban jobs. We should be able to do prompt, what status, something like this. See, this part stinks as well because it's like, why it doesn't know what this is. Because if I do this, right, and we're here, why am I not getting state? I guess I'm getting it, statement. It's just got a million other things too. Mining Bitcoins the whole time. That explains it. Worker. No, so it doesn't have worker. If I do as, let's say, J dot worker. This is not getting these. That part stinks. Because for dadbod UI and dadbod completion, we were getting those. I like a lot of this stuff better. Like, this is really nice. It's actually legible. You can like read this. It's good. But like public.obanjobs.work is worker, right? But like, why am I not getting, I'm not getting any completion for this, right? Chat, you guys see what I'm saying? And I'm getting completion for other stuff. We'll just make sure again, right? Yeah. And these are all of my different things. We haven't written a bunch of these in here. Simrap, hey, thanks for the tier 1. So that part I don't really know. I don't really know what to do about. I also don't understand how dadbods was so good. And an UI for SQL tables. Yeah, it already exists. So that's the thing. I'm just not sure. I don't know how dadbod completion. I don't know how it does it. Have you performed schema inspection? I don't know what you mean. That part is really impressive about this one. You did and do it. Hey, yeah, thanks, Simrab. No problem. I am having fun. Because like this is where I would put this. Call comp register source vim dadbod completion and vim comp source. Yep. This is exactly how I would do this. Register source. You always register the source. Vim dadbod completion Lua. Yeah, this is just calling omnifunc. Dadbod completion would have been not too risky. Not too risky, I think. Oh, dang. Sorry to hear that, Shrimp. This just talks to DB. Yeah, but they're not going to work together because this needs info from dadbod about the current buffer. Now it's possible we could try and, yeah, see, this is, I'm scared of VimScript ones. Yeah, but this is the thing. People have done just ridiculous amounts of work on doing these. It's just ridiculous, chat. He's just, you know what I'm saying? They just do so much stuff already that's already been done. Okay, well, I guess that's not terrible then. Selling coffee as well. It's seeming pretty lucrative these days, chat. You can pretty much make your money back. See, a bunch of this stuff, though, requires a bunch of things about... No, I think what we'll probably do is we just won't do it. Like, I'm really happy with DadBod. Invest in Teej before. What's the return? Negative 1 billion%. Always guaranteed. Yeah. All right. Well, that's fine. It's okay. I think we're going to go back and we're just going to go. It's okay. I think we're going to go back and we'll just do DadBod. That's okay. Tipo is an OG for a reason. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here that it's just in, for me, it's much better. Let's see. So we don't want to do this. We want to go back to here and do Vim DadBod completion. I'm pretty sure was the name of what we had here. Comp. Buffer source Vim DadBod completion. Vim DadBod completion. SQL. And then this is, we'll go back to Vim DadBod. Yeah, it's kind of a shame because I like the UX experience for everything else better. But it just doesn't, the completion experience is just really good in Vim DadBod. DB. I may leave a few of these around. Enabled is it enable or enable? Enabled? Yeah. Enabled is false. So we're not gonna do this right now, but we will keep a bunch of this info here. Because it may be that they fix that they get some improvements on some of this. If I was gonna do it, I would just literally go and I would I think DB would be fine. It's not that it can't do it. It's just that, I mean, like, I don't know if you were looking, like, the amount of stuff that's going on here to detect start of table and schema defaults and all these other, this could all be copied. You could rewrite a bunch of this if you wanted in the CompDB one, right? In CompDB, right? And you would get back to the same place, right? In fact, some of it would be a lot easier because you don't have to support, as many different things and a bunch of stuff like this, right? So some of it would be easier to do. But there's just a lot of stuff in here, right? Even just so that's basically sort of where I'm at on that. It works nice. We have DadBod. Okay, so these should all be good. I think we go back to here, DBUI, and we're here. Select star from effects effect ledger. Beautiful. Select star from effect ledger, right? Do we really not have the comment string set for this? Okay, that's weird. FT plugin. SQL.lua. Okay. Yeah. We want to do vim op local comment string is. I don't know why that doesn't work, but that's fine. DBUI. Select star from effect status, and then I should be able to do like prompt, right? Oh, does that not work either? I felt like I was getting that before. Oh, that doesn't exist. That's why that didn't work. Okay, nice. It effect status doesn't have prompt, so that makes sense. Okay. We could say status. Yeah, okay, there you go. That makes more sense. Effect ledger. So there's some parts of this that are much better, I feel, about Neovim DB, but this experience is the thing that I use it for most. Not so much viewings. Like, I usually could basically do this, limit 5, and this is basically all the things. Did you import the comment string? What do you mean? I didn't import the comment. I set it locally in FT plugin. Is DBUI a Vim plugin? Yeah, it is. It's dadbod. Okay, so that's good. We explored Neovim DB. If I were Neovim DB, I would just like go and copy this and get the same thing, and then it'll work. Like, it'll be nice. Because then I would switch for sure. Because this experience is good but not amazing, as well as there's a lot of stuff I think here where like the screen flashes and some other stuff. That's because it's not made for Neovim, right? There's a bunch of other stuff going on. So okay, that's fine. Good to know. Dad should implement pin. Okay, well, we went on a little detour, like pin a tab with result from a query. I mean, I don't even know. I don't know what you're looking for. I probably can already do it, but. But Neovim DB was really cool. So I don't know. I wanted to see if my it's doing well. Did I ratio? Oh, I'm so close to a ratio on Theo for this one. Chat, you know what to do right here. So the biggest issue I have with squeal, how the Primogen pronounces it. It takes a while, compute intensive, then you want to perform another one and compare something with the first one. First is gone. I would have to imagine hard for that because I've never had this problem. I would just copy paste it to a new buffer. Like if I wanted to do that, I would just go like this. Select star from effects. Okay, done. Set no wrap. Okay. Pinned. I don't know. This is all I would need if I was just gonna like save one thing. I just put it in a buffer. I just hate how big Prime's gotten. Same. I miss the old Prime. The working at Netflix Prime. The one who didn't stream while I was trying to stream Prime. What? Why would you be mad? It's exciting. What the heck? Why would you be mad? It's awesome. It looks the same size to me. True, he is getting too swole for me. He's getting too swole. It's making me feel like I need to start working out a lot more, which I hate. All right. Shoot. All right. Doesn't matter, by the way. True. We were a while ago working on this concept that tasks would send once they're done. TJ natty. We're all natty here, boys. We were doing squeal. Like he never does stuff like this anymore. That's all. What? All he's been doing is building stuff. Can you work out for me too while you're at it? He finally got to quit his job and he can write code on stream again. True. You've got a solid point there. You've got a solid point there, Ryan. Oops, all of these need buffer equals 0 as well. Adam's vegan, by the way, but are you? No. Pretty sure Shirai is not. This is a non-Teej Coinbase, right? No. We're doing the same stuff still. I just need to do start misery again. But I've been hopping in and out because we're trying to implement saving to a queue and reloading it. TGDV. Hey, thanks, Fabio. I feel like Prime's like unironically, Prime's been building a lot on stream. Okay, so what else do we need to do here? What was I working on? Okay, so we're gonna go back to here. We're gonna get the user. ARGs is Mixery reward redemption. This should have user. What am I saying user to? Oh, we changed this. It must be to at field user mixery.user. So we need to take this at class mixery.user, and these are all I think this is all just user ID and display, but then this one should, I think, be what did I put that? Reward redemption. Oh, it's effect redemption now. Execute effect? Right, we changed this whole thing. Yeah, what is it called again? Effect? Execute effect, ID, effect, user, and input. Okay, so that's what we have. This is no longer reward redemption. This is execute effect. And then this shouldn't be called reward anymore. What are we even getting off of here? Effect. This should be ID, no key, title, prompt. Those are the only ones we care about for this. We go back to here and we also have input. Yeah, so clearly I haven't updated this in a while. I was just flying by the seat of my pants. Different league then. Adam is way too far. True. We're a little bit of Doom in the terminal. It's not his. Yeah, it's not his. But he's been building other stuff. I don't know. It's okay. You guys can like or not like it. It's totally fine. I won't be offended if you like my stream more than Prime. I'm not going to be hurt if you tell me that that's the case. You know? It is the case. I won't tell you. Thanks, everybody. By the way, going back to DB, personally, like the idea of using Go instead of DB clients. Yeah, I mean, like, Go seems like a great choice. Like, the underlying stuff I like better for NVIM-DB. It's just that the completion experience isn't as good, and that's primarily what I use it for. To basically like work out how I would write a query and things like this. But I would prefer to use it. Yeah, you know, like if everything else was equal. Okay, so now we have opt args. Args is a mixery effect here. Okay. Primarily. Got it. Well, thanks, Jake. I appreciate it. I mean this in like the nicest way because I know you're trying to be nice. But I would just say like I would appreciate it if we didn't. You can say the nice things about me without saying like things that without making any comment on Prime stream. You know what I'm saying? Like he's like legitimately my friend, not just like, oh, I stream with him. Like I consider him a real friend. So it's just complicated, right? To sort of Just different streams. Very different. Yeah. You mean good without someone else being bad? No, not on the internet. Oh, shoot, right. This is Twitch chat. Okay, sorry. Never mind. You have to say negative things about someone else if you want to say something good about me. Boom. When they cross streams IRL, it's very powerful. Dude, we need to do so many more. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, you're good, Jake. I know you're not trying to be like, yeah, I know, Jake, I know that you weren't trying to do so, but I'm just saying, like, I'm just sort of voicing what's difficult about it as part of the situation. Okay, so when we're done, glad Prime has more time to build things. Same. Okay, so when we're done with all of these, task done. Local effect ID is self.ops.args.id. So this is the effect that's completed. Yeah, exactly. So then what we need to do here is we need to go require misery.channel send effect completed effect ID, because this is what we need to do. So we need to go back to here. Okay, what is going on with that selecting 2 of these? Do I have like, I just have 1 LSP. Why is it, did I do something different about this? And why is it that I can't go to this? Like that part's that's the weird part. What? Okay, I don't know what's going on there. That's fine though. Okay, so this should have effect ID. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do send message. The topic name is going to be effect completed, I guess, right? The topic name. Oh, that probably needs to be Neovim lobby or something like this, I think. I don't know. What do I send back? I guess I don't know. Cause where's like the lobby thing? Join room lobby, join room, handle in, new message, body. What do I send to that? I actually don't know how that works. Use library connect our server. Let's go back to the top here. And we also need to check out writing this. Miami weather, join channel. Yeah, okay, so I joined Neovim lobby. Neovim lobby. Right, that's what I joined. Neovim lobby. Yes, right. So then I can say effect completed, and now I can say effect ID is effect ID. Boom. Oh, but this is actually not really like, it's kind of in a sense, it's not really, what? This is like an execution ID. Am I gonna get canceled for saying execution ID? Unc S? Execution completed. Okay. Because that's really what we're doing, which I'll just call this effect execution. Because if we go back to our Neovim channel here, finally writing Ellie Shear today. And this should be in handle in report emergency, right? So this is like def handle in. This should be effect execution. They call this completed. Okay, completed. And then this is effect ID. And then this is going to be effect ID. And then we can say no reply socket. And now we could go debug. Effect execution ID completed. And let's go effect ID like this. So what I think should happen here is when we We restart. Let's open up a new Neovim so I don't have to do this over and over. Start misery, and we go here and we click random color scheme. It'll turn on the random color scheme. That's good. And we should have this for like a few more seconds. Oh, I have 2 of these connected. That's not great. I'm going to quit out of this one. This one's already connected, so I think that this should still be good. What I'd like to see in 3, 2, 1 is something here saying that it got completed. Oh, it's not going to complete right because I was away. Here we go. Okay. So what we should see... Dang. Okay. Maybe I should restart this, actually. Now that I think about it, we probably want to restart this. Okay. So we started this. This one's pretty bright. This one's pretty bright. Pretty bright. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this, chat. Look at, we already got the ID here. So if we go to DBUI, of course, because now we're here again. Select star from effect ledger. Order by ID descending. We should get 517. Boom. That's the last one. That's what we wanted. If I run another one, 10 will have built-in comments. Yeah. That's actually what I'm using right now. So when we do this again, we should get that this was 518, I imagine. And we should see effect completed 518. Oh my goodness. Yes. That was first try. And if we had not gotten distracted today, we might have made some progress. That's okay. We're crushing it right now. All right, so then what do we want to do here? I can actually just close this. I don't need this. I don't need this one right now. So what do we need to do? Now we need to do something with this channel, Neovim. Whoops. Let's just go here. Channel, Neovim. And when we get this, what we need to do is we need to emit this event. So we should have events already. Execute effect. So now we need to do basically this same idea here. Let's just put this here. We'll put it in the same one. It should be fine. It doesn't do anything. Effect completed. And we're just going to do an effect ID. Or we should call this an execution ID. Right? That's what we called it in... Ah! There we go. I think we're close. Yeah, I think it's like next week or something. I don't really know, though. That's what we called it in Lua, right? When we sent our thing in channel, we called this effect ID. This should not be effect ID. That's dumb. This should be execution ID. We go back to Neovim lobby, Neovim channel here. We should not call this effect ID. This should be execution ID. And then this should be execution ID. Same thing here. And then instead of just... then what we need to do is we need to emit this event. So mixery, whoops, mixery.broadcast event, %event, execute effect completed with execution ID is execution ID. And then we need to go back to here. And then we need to go to execute event. And then this should be execute event completed. And then this should be completed. We go to here. We go here. Completed. Completed. Subscribe. execute. Probably if you want to subscribe to execute events, you probably want completed, but it's fine. We'll put it in separate one. One sec. What's up? What do you like about Elixir? What reasons would you give for someone to get into it? What do I like about Elixir? I really like the actor model. I think that that's good. And it seems like LiveView and a bunch of other libraries are very high quality. So I like that a lot. What up, Pointer? Okay, so if we have this event now, we need to subscribe to this in the status handler. So what I need to do is we want to do mixery.subscribe to affect completed events. That's good. And then when we're here, we can go def handle info event.execute effect completed. Execution ID is execution ID. State do end. We need to update the status to completed in the ledger. All right, so what do we need to do? We need to go to effect. Where do we have the ledger even in here? Do we not do anything with the ledger here? Alias mixery.effect ledger. Effect ledger, because we need to update the status of this ID. How do I just update one field in Ecto? I only want to update one field. Oh, I can do, I think, okay, let me think. We can go, query is, no, we can go something like this, right? We can go execution is repo.get effect ledger and execution ID. And then, so now we have the execution. We want to do a change set with this. So we should be able to go execution effect ledger dot change set. And I still don't know. I still am like confused about this adders shenanigans here. Do I need to go status completed? Repo dot insert. I want to update, insert or update, I guess. It seems like that should probably work. No reply state. I don't really know. That's in Ecto query. Insert or update. Oops. No, not in multi. This happens to me every time. Insert or update. Ecto repo. Prefix, stale error message. Insert or updates. Inserts or updates. I guess I only want update. I only want update. Same as update, but returns struct if the change set is invalid. Okay, so I actually just want update. Change set dot change post title new title. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. That looks way better than the way that I have it. So I want to do something like Change set. I think this works though. I mean, this is still basically the same. I just think this one looks cool. I mean, we can try this. We can try this for sure. Because what do we have right now in our DBUI? We should have select star from effect ledger, order by ID, descending, limit 5, something like this, right? These are all queued, which is not what we want. We want these to actually say completed when they're done, right? Because nothing's completing them in the data bars, right? So if we go back to here, we click complete a random color scheme. Oh, this isn't gonna work right now. It's gonna error because we changed the Lua code and the corresponding ones. We just got to restart. It's got to subscribe to new events and all this shenanigans too. All right, so if we go to DBUI, we go select star from effect ledger, order by ID, desk, limit 5, right? Okay, so this should be queued. We are not connected, but when we do misery or start misery, we should be connected here. We can now click redeem. That works. Okay, nice. This one's actually kind of pops pretty nice. So what we should have here is that we got a new one, 520 random color scheme queued. What we should see, hopefully, right after this, we'll see if we got first try, is completed. We did not get completed. Terminating. Map got status completed. Oh, okay. Fine. So that's why. Did settle on some intractable architectural cruft? I have no idea. I don't even know what that means. Where were we doing this? We were doing status handler, I believe. Change set. Right, this should be like this. Not sure I really like that either, but that's fine. It's okay, I guess. That try didn't count. Yeah, well, of course, it's fine. It doesn't count, obviously. Okay. Probably should have made this like 5 seconds so we can test this faster, but it's still pretty cool. 21. Yep. Yep. Okay, I got the problem. I got the problem, chat. I got the problem. Neovim. Ooh, this one's nice. This one's nice. Clyde nil value. Yeah. Status handler. Some stupid annoying stuff because they store multiple DBs adapters, or I just have Postgres ecto. Yeah, that makes sense. So I actually just want to do. Can I just do this? I just want to do, I think this way looks cool. Ecto.change.change. And I can just say, status. Why am I getting all these time remaining still? What is going on? Did I click this 100 times? Did I scuff something? I have no idea what's happening. I don't know why I keep getting random color schemes. Was it from me? I don't know. Change status completed. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Okay, got it. Help me get a coding job. Okay. What are you working on to get a coding job? Effect ledger. I probably should have just saved this one as a saved query, but whatever. Limits, order by ID, desk, limit 5. Okay, right. So we have all of these are queued. So now what should happen is when we start misery here, we'll be able to do random color scheme. I don't know if this one will actually work. Especially in Python. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense, Sharon. Step 1, learn to code. I have very little C# knowledge. Okay. What are you doing to make that a lot of C# knowledge? Let's go! Let's go. Gonna start coding more. Okay, that sounds good. Come back to me when you have lots of C# knowledge. That's what I would recommend. I think I already had 7TV stuff on here. I just uninstalled 7TV for me. Nice chat. There we go. Completed. That's what we were looking for. So we want to go update effect ledger set status equals completed. Okay. All right. So now when we do another one of these, we should get Tokyo Moon. We get it queued. I don't need to learn C# to get a job. There are C# jobs that exist. Yeah. Result to a CSV. I don't know, like late. I haven't tried that yet. Let's go. Okay. Sweet. So now we can get all the ones that are currently queued. And we could just send them over to Neovim when we connect. And then after that, we just send them one at a time. Right? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? You also need other things, though, besides learning programming. You should probably get some soft skills. You should probably learn to talk to people. You should probably learn to, instead of demanding that someone helps you, maybe asking for help and showing that you care about them and that you value their time. Those are all really good things to do. No, I'm saying learn how to be a person. Lots of people don't know how to do that. Well, I don't curse. I've gotten jobs before, but yeah. You're right, my bad. No problem. It's Twitch chat, so it's a little bit different than a regular job environment, but just suggestions. It's a slightly different location than your average job environment. Okay, so what do we need to do now? What I want to do now is Neovim channel. Okay, when we get a new Neovim connection, here. Where is this? Add connection. Join lobby. Add a connection of myself. Okay, nice. I'm saying, hey, I need to subscribe to rewards and execute effects. Okay, nice. What does Twitch chat allow you to do that the real world doesn't allow? I think most of you, I hope, are talking differently at your work than you are in Twitch chat. I hope, for your sakes, that's the case. Otherwise, it makes... Imagine being a Google internal streamer. I don't. Triride doesn't count. The world's desperate for people who can actually build Elixir, so you have a real skill. Okay, so what do we need to do? When we get this connection, I want to reply. Oh, I can reply right here. I'm already replying. Poggers isn't acceptable in a work environment. Yeah, there are definitely places where it may not be. YouTube chats, agreed. Wait, different one point additional is there are more people in Twitch chat that I can talk to on a conceptual problem solving than at work? Yes, that's certainly some corporate cultures should probably adjust to more openness about technical topics. I think that would probably be good for them. And not be so worried that because someone disagrees, they hate you or something like this. In my performance review, I always just say easy clap. Nice. Okay, so let's get this. Unfulfilled, fulfilled, or we'll say queued executions, right? Is, let's get 18 here. Let's go alias mixery dot effect status affect ledger, right? Because we want to go affect ledger get queued executions like this. Let's do this. This doesn't exist yet, so that's fine. We'll go here. Def get queued executions do end. I literally have forgotten every time. How do we do repo? Use mixer import mixer repo alias. We got to go alias mixery.repo. Repo. We got to go import. I literally cannot remember which one to do for ecto query every time, dude. Import ecto query. Query is from module, I guess. Thanks, honey. Okay. Let me go pee really quick, chat, and then we'll eat some lunch. I'll answer questions in a momento. All right, nice. I've heard Pepe emotes are racist. Don't know why. Because one time racists used them. Where are you based? Scotland? Yes. We're doing Slack in my last job. Yeah, it happened. How'd your programming life start? I took a programming class in college and fell in love. Can I do module here? Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Bumping buttons on my other computer. Yeah, it was true. Python was my first programming language. It's what caused me to fall in love with programming. It will always have a soft spot in my heart. I think the Pepe emotes being racist thing has like subsided though. It's gone past. I don't think anyone's thinking that anymore. We're still doing the same thing. What? Same thing. Nice, Atomic. Depends where you work. Yeah, I guess that's true. It's pretty wild. My I don't know. My controversial take, I guess, about it is it feels like you're just letting the racists win when you say like, oh, the racists used that, it's gone forever. Obviously, for some stuff, it's like, I get why you wouldn't want to try and resurrect it. It doesn't seem like worth it. But for like Pepe memes, you know what I mean? I'm stuck in web dev. I want to explore more programming. Yeah, you got to build something on the side and explore it. Yeah, Night Trade, agreed. Right, exactly. VS only has power when we don't censor. I don't know which way you're saying, Nahil. I saw a funny video recently, Nightshade, where someone was like, hey, do you like this painting? He's like, this is a trick. No, it's not a trick. It's not a trick, it's just a painting. No, it's definitely a trick. No, it's not. No, just say what you like about it. Yeah, I guess it's pretty nice. You liked Hitler's paintings? Oh, goes back to mainstream. I thought that one was pretty funny. What's the best way to learn a programming language? A mix of reading the official documentation and building something. Smuggling out of toxicity when it gets inappropriate. I guess it just depends what you mean by toxicity, though. So it's a little bit hard to say, you know. I mean, I'm not a huge lead coder. Guest star, the Twitch thingy? She already knows, true. So you just gotta answer whichever one you like. It's real simple, chat. You know, you don't need, like, you just don't have an opinion. But I'm pretty easygoing though. Are friends with Prime before college? No. I became friends when I started through streaming, basically. Yeah. Oh, is it down right now? It shouldn't be down. Yeah, you just go to the rewards thing that just got linked. Right here. I've tried it. It's just okay. Oh. Go to the one that says dashboard. We should change that back. Yeah, no problem. Oh, that reminds me that we need to show the cost on this. From module where status equals queued. Something like this, right? I don't even know how to do this. I'll have to think about this. I gotta remember how to do Ecto. I already forgot. It's been 2 weeks. Yeah, that was pretty sweet, Nihil. Too bad his takes 3 seconds. Mine's instant. I mean, his seems like a better idea and way cooler. But what are you gonna do? But yeah, Shire sent it to me. All right, almost done. Sorry, just eating my kids' leftovers. Classic garbage can style. Poor kid, yeah, exactly. Pretty good, though. Am I talking about food? Yes. You guys have Culver's? Solid burger. For a fast food experience. Sitting in Madison now? Yeah. Oh, so one on every corner? I used to always go... What's, man, Military State Ridge Trail or whatever. There's a bridge that goes over... Oh, shoot. What's the big highway that goes through town? And there's a Culver's right there. My wife and I always used to bike to that. What's up, Knocksock? I had to think about the name. I could probably find it on a map. Small town. West of Verona. No. It's like going towards downtown. $11 months, almost a whole year. Dang. Culver's has good burgers, yeah. I'm a big fan of the concrete mixers too. Concrete mixer there, dude. I'll find it. I just have to look it up. It's so freaking easy to dox yourself. Looking up maps. Because Google Maps just logs, just like, hey, here's your house! Even in incognito mode. Hey, here's your house! Oh, thanks. Thank you. Really helpful. Not this one. Let me see here. Because we would get on Military State Ridge. Let me find it. Southwest Commuter Path. But where's the one with Culver's right next to it? Was that? No, I thought it was down here. I'll find it. Hodl. I only want... How do I just set it to bike paths only? Surely there's a way to set it to bike paths only, right? How do I do this again, chat? Fitchburg. It's... So, okay. So we lived, like, around here. So then we would take... Okay, here's a bike path, but I don't think... Oh, it's this one. Oh, is there a Culver's right here? Nope, it's not this one. See, I thought it was when we crossed over here. More north. Oh, right, because we're coming here. Layers, biking. Oh, it's in the layers? Where am I here? Where am I? Layers? Biking. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Yes. Okay. So, oh, it's this one right here. This Culver's. Yeah. Oh, just over the belt line. Yep. Let's see if you can see anything here. Take this right over here. Oh, man. This Culver's right here. Yep. Yep, right here, this one. Oh, dude. Bike from our house. Pick up some ice cream. Bike the rest of the way to downtown. Oh, man, dude. You bike the rest of the way to downtown this way. Up through here. So good, dude. So good. Work is given to me from UW Health. Oh, nice. Okay, so how do I get... I need to write... I forgot everything about this. Effect ledger. Can I do something like this? Do people do this? Mixery.effect ledger queries. Do end. Something like this. Alias. Mixery.effect ledger. Because this is a thing. All right, but I forgot everything about queries already. I forgot everything. From you in users. Oh, right. From execution in effect ledger. Where is it not status? Oh, right. Execution dot status. Now we're talking. Can I just do like repo.all? Also, there's a cheat sheet open for Ecto. Well, I haven't written one. I've only written, like 10 queries, and that was like a month ago. And I was writing Go in between. I forgot that you didn't have to just like write everything out with 80 million extra characters in 12 lines. Okay, so we can do this. Let's go back to... Where were we? Channel Neovim. Right, and so this is effect ledger queries. Get queued executions. No, that should work. Queued executions is not used. That's fine. So let's just do something like this where we say queued, and we say queued executions. Something like this, right? So now what happens if I open up a Neovim and we go and we just click this like 5 times, right? We should be able to go bing bong, and we go start misery. Oh no, we've closed the connection. Okay, that doesn't seem good. Okay, that didn't seem to work. Probably because this doesn't know how to JSONify itself is my assumption. Right, we have not done a JSONify thing. JSON. JSON, let's do this, right? At derive, JSON, encoder, only, and let's go ID. Status. Effect ID. And Twitch user ID. So this won't really work yet because we haven't actually done enough to really load this yet. So this won't really be that good. Bonk bonk bonk. Oh, dang, that's pretty cool. So let's say we do start misery. We should be getting... Nice. Reason. Shy Rai is a liar, liar, pants on fire. Smart. And then we have all of our queued effects here as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this would be what we can use to load all of these up into into our into the Neovim experience. But we can't actually do this. This isn't actually good. Who's this Shy Rai character? Exactly. What we need to do is we need to go back to execute effect, and we need to rebuild these, right? So we need to go here, and we need to go to effect ledger. So then we need to do, oh man, we're gonna have some nice queries here. We're gonna have some nice queries here. Because what we need to do is we need to join these. Now the question is, how do I write a join again? Nobody knows. No, it's not possible to know. Join, see, and comet. Can I do multiple joins? No, that's not possible. Join. Let's go effect in effects. Alias mixery dot effect. On execution dot effect ID equals. Oops. Effect dot ID. Did I just? Syntax before, oh, right, comma. Whoops. Okay, so then we need to also do join. User in Twitch alias mixery.twitch.user user on execution.twitch user ID equals user dot ID. I don't know, something like this, right? These random editor flashbangs. I know, sorry. What can I do? What can I do, chat? What can I do? Okay. I really don't like this indenting. This is gross, but it's fine. Like, this should be indented one more like this. But what can you do? And then now we need to choose what we're gonna select, right? Select. Select star. Because we need to make this again, basically, right? So we want to do select. Maybe you write a video filter that removes sudden white flashes. What? You can do X from join. Oh, interesting. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Bash? Oh, what's up, Bash? We're still working on my Neovim rewrite at the same time as doing building out the Teej economy in Elixir. Select P title C body. Can I just do select execution user effect like this? Like, is this gonna work? Teej ICO. Oh yeah. Huge. Huge. What time? Oh, let me just check and make sure. I'm checking to make sure when I'm supposed to have a meeting today. Today. What? Okay, yes, nice. In an hour. Okay. It's with Prime. So I'll also have to, if Prime's still streaming, I'm also going to have to remind him. Because there's no way he's going to remember in an hour that we have a meeting. What is your config not in Lua? Oh, the config's still in Lua. We're writing a system to make it difficult for me to make my config in Elixir. As one tends to do. I have no idea what this is even gonna do here. All of these are completed. Okay. Let's just see what happens if we go here. We go start misery. Oh wait, no. We go here. And then we click bing bong bing. And then we go start misery. Okay, nice. So that's, we don't know how to not for misery affect ledger. Okay, great. That's fine. That's totally fine. That's kind of what I thought we would get. But we should be getting stand-up meeting while being employed. No, it's for Neovim comp. So then can I do some sort of map inside here? Because what do I really want? I want an execution. I just want the ID. User, effect, and input. I think we have execution.input. I believe that's what we have as the ledger. These other ones I think have JSON encodings. Ooh, join crashed. Nice. Okay. How did we crash here? Input and select does not exist in effect ledger in query. Is it user input? Do prompt. Why did I call it input? Why did I call it input there, but prompt here? Salt my hammies, dude. I was wondering if you can. Amanda was writing the config with Elixir. We're not writing the config with Elixir. Give me your input. I've been using Vim for a while. I want to try NVim. I want to use your great guide on YouTube, but how do I go about using someone's dot files? I don't know what you mean. What do you want? Why would you want to use someone else's dot files? 535 mixer. You. Ooh. Okay, nice. So now I think. Can I just do enum.map, Shirai? Is that my best option here? Map. And we just go function and we go execution, ID, user, effect, input. We can say input like this. And I want to turn this into an mixery.event.execute effect. And I can say ID is execution ID, effect is effect. Oops. User is user, and input is input, like this, right? And I might be able to do that in the select. Okay. This is fine. I mean, it's not going to be anything big, so it's not like it doesn't really matter. Oh! Let's go! Pow, pow. Pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. Okay, so now those are the ones that are currently queued, right? So when we go back to our channel here and we get our connect on connect, well, we should get send message here. We should get a reply, send message. So this is really not just join. Send message. We should return the message ID here, right? We should return the message ID. So this should be local message reference. Wow, 2 light modes in a row. Now we're talking. And we're going to do handler, response handlers, message reference is a function, boom, 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 of payload. And what's going to be in the payload? Phoenix reply. We're going to get this payload of mixery execute effect. Oh, this got our... Oh, wait. This is just not real. That's why that's messed up. Mixery.execute effect. There we go. Okay, so what are we going to do with this? Hey, Coolpit. We're just building something goofy. We need to queue each of the events. So when we looked at our messages, we had a payload here, which is some response. So I think it'll be a response.queued, I think. So I think we want to go payload.response.queued. Local queued is this. And we want to go for task in iPairs. Queued, do, end. And then this is what we just want to do this same goofiness here, which is this. Oh, where are we getting that name from though? Oh, okay. That's the kind of goofy part about this, right? Is this actually should be effect.id. So I think we can get that as well. So this should be name is task dot effect dot id. Oh, no. This is what we want, right? We want to say type task. Do we get .id now? Nice. Name. Local name. We can just do this. Whoops. This is really execution. And we have name, task, if okay. Then this should just be execution, I think. Execution. I think that'll work. We can just add each of these tasks. Did you rewrite your config yet? Kind of. We're using the config that we're rewriting while we're working on the thing to make the rewrite possible to do the other things, you know? Should I use Envim on my current VM or spin up a new one? You could use it on your current one. That seems fine. Handle the join response, which may contain tasks to execute. Okay. I don't know. Let's try this, right? So we go here. We click redeem color scheme a few times. Okay. Now we go to Neovim and then we do start misery. Oh my goodness. Oh baby. Click redeem. This queue goes up. This queue goes up. Right? Chat, then I quit this. I open it back up. I click start misery. We get the events back. We start them again. Oh! Yes! Yes! Chat, it works. Now we have some problems like multiple Neovims are trying to execute the same stuff. I really don't care about that part. I really don't care. Like, because the main thing is now I can just open and close this Neovim each time. Right, so I close this, I open this up, I do start misery, and then now we're gonna get, boom, a color scheme, Mountain Dew. And it even knows. It even knows. Let's go. Using Bash or Zish? I use Zish. Just like Bash Bunny. And then we'll get back our queued event. Next one. Boom. Oh my goodness. Why Zish though? Why not Zish? How about some fish? No, I'm not a pescatarian. Chat, it's working. Chat, it's working. Ooh, I like this one. I'm a DevOps guy, so it's hard to even get Ubuntu workspaces at work. Zish, shorter time than best, or faster. Exactly. I use Western. I can't believe it's actually working so easy. So, I mean, I think we're pretty much done with that. I thought this was going to take way longer. This would have been so short if I didn't get crazy distracted. If I didn't get crazy distracted trying out NVMDB, but that's okay. That's part of the rewrite fun. This is actually turning into not that bad of a client, chat. Not that bad of a client. Can actually do configure right now. Exactly, I know. Because the problem was we couldn't restart. You know what I'm saying? Like, which you need to do. Like installing a new plugin and doing all this other stuff, right? It's like we actually have to do that. What's the goal? We set it so that... Oh, no. We didn't finish the rewrite. We finished building... We're not finished, but we're working on stuff for the rewrite. Brazil stack. It's the Brazil stack. Hardcore right now. Elixir on the back end, Lua on the front end. Let's go! It's my birthday. All I want is pick Teej's brain to get smarter and crack open some bourbon later after a fat steak. Nice. Nice. Happy birthday, by the way. This still working? Okay, so it's still working. It's good. So now I quit. I open Neovim back up. I do start misery. It should cue that last random color scheme. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. This is so good though, Chad, because I've been wanting to have this. No, like I want to use this after we're done with the rewrite as well, right? We'll make a bunch of other funny Neovim things that you can do. And other events, right? So it's like this, we should be able to continue making goofiness as we go along in the world. But now we have this queue, so if we restart Neovim, we still get the events that we had, right? So we do this, and then, you know, like hide my cursor. It's on random color scheme right now. I quit, I go here, I go start misery. So now we have that queued as our next event, right? So it's gonna get queued up as the next event. So that's awesome. Oh, dude, that's so exciting. And my cursor's just gone, chat. Might want to sing the time in case you're halfway through. No, it's okay. It's okay if I have to redo it. I don't really care about that part. I don't think that it's worth trying to go like halfway through and manage. It's just like, okay, if it's a 5-minute one, then they got a little bit of bonus time. Everybody always gets what they paid for or better. That's my goal, you know? That's my goal. I think we should do here. Okay, I have to figure out why that's happening though. That's what the triangle is all about. That's what the triangle system is all about. But so you have a way now to control Neovim from Phoenix? Oh, we've been doing that for a while. We can do anything we want, and we can actually send stuff back from Neovim to Phoenix now, which we didn't have at the start. And not anything serious, at least, just that we connected. Now we can actually send messages, which is pretty cool. We passed from pyramid to we never were in a pyramid scheme. We've always been firm believers in the triangle system. Okay, we've always been firm believers in the triangle system. Very different, okay? Everyone knows the triangle system. Running up games. People, you'll love life. People, you'll love life. Oh, man. Oh, okay, Fog of War, nice. It's working. So now we need to check this, right? We quit this. We go back. We do Start Misery. We should get Fog of War back. Oh, yes. Yes. Did you remove the gift where all inputs are reversed? Inverse? Yeah, I removed some of them because it was impossible to get anything going for Neovim. You know what I mean? Your personal config on GitHub. Yeah, but we're rewriting it right now, so it's not really available. Dude, that is so good. I got distracted because we had Fog of War because I don't remember what I was going to do next. Oh, I remember. I know there's one bug for sure we need to fix, which is input. We're not displaying the cost next to these. We need to put the cost somewhere here. And we don't need this either. Okay, so we can remove this. But we do want to put something here where we say like div. And we should at least put the like at what do we get for this? Oh, I need to add that too. Telescope. Vim key map. Man, I spell key amp so often. I should just eliminate that possibility, but that's okay. Built-in.grep word, I think it is. Whoops. Space GW. Telescope. Grep word. Grep string. I think I am gonna just do this. I don't need to return anything from this. We go back to our telescope thing here. We'll just do this. Beautiful. Okay. So where were we before? Right, we were here. I want to go like this. We pass it an effect ID and an input. We also need to pass it a cost. At effect.cost, I think, right? Isn't that what we called it? Cost? Yeah. Cost. That didn't work, right? Right? Because I got to say at cost. That makes sense. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Is an element. Dude, I forgot. This is so confusing because it's like, it's different whether you're inside of like the params or not. Cost not found in assigns. Is it not? What? Cost. Live component. Effect ID. Input. What did I do wrong here? These are the only two spots I use this. Did you save? Yeah, both are saved. Maybe I'll just restart it. In case something didn't build for some reason. Okay, that's weird. Something happened there where it didn't notice one of them. Maybe because it got scuffed the first time when I was doing cost. I don't know. Just type recompile. Okay, next time I'll do oh, right, because this one, yeah, it would work fine for this. Yeah, so, okay, so that's good. So this is not random color scheme, pick a color scheme. Okay, let's go back to here. Start misery. Something went wrong. Cost not found in. Phoenix live view sockets. It's just not getting it? How is it not getting it? Does this run in light mode? No, I haven't tested anything. Okay, I don't understand. Do I need to do the adders thing? Pass it in update. Oh. That is not something I would have probably ever gotten. Two. Okay, nice. So now we need to go to, where do we have this, like, our nice little effect.cost? This is the one that we need to turn this into a button, or into like a, right, I want this basically here to be like this. Two. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Do I need to do this? Do I have to do like this many divs? Am I like just a div soup king now? We need like more space on this, I guess. This is like, I don't even know how to do this. Because we just don't have enough space here, it seems like. It's close. Now it's close, you know what I mean? But it's not like... I don't know how do I make this look good, chat? How do I make this look good? And like, I guess I want it to be so you can click on this. And then it would submit it as well, right? So you do like... You could do in a wrap like a div and do flex 1 on it. Tailwind UI. I'm using Tailwind. No, on the cost. And flex on the input. I'm trying to flex on the haters right now. Any way to feed the list of available color schemes back to the browser? We can actually do that soon. Cost plus SVG in a div. Okay, that's what I have already. I have these in a div. Then you're saying class is flex 1, like this. Okay, nice. Yep. Do you have Tailwind watching? Huh. No, better than that. Much better than that. Right there. Much better. This is all you need. Of course, all Tailwind. Inspect. How do I look at this script? Sources? How can I find out how big this is, chat? How can I find out how big this is? That's what I want to know. Is Tailwind built in? Network tab? But it's not there, right? Because it's cached. How do I do that? I don't know. Disable caching, I guess. We'll refresh again. Tailwind CSS. 208 bytes? That can't be right. Yeah, I was thinking I could just check the source itself, but doesn't it minimize it more than this? Oh, probably 3.4.3. 112 KB right here. Okay, 112 KB. Size of React.js bundle. Oh, whoops. It's like, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Like, it literally just doesn't matter. Plus, once you have it, it's saved forever. You will literally never convince me it's worth spending time, engineering time, on a for fun project to get Tailwind working, watching, writing, etc. There's literally no reason. Chat, you're interacting with this via video. You're watching the stream. The environment, I'm the one that's doing less. I'm the one that's doing less stuff. You guys are spinning your CPU to build something for no reason. Mine's cached forever. Mine's cached forever. You guys are the one burning the environment down, not me. I'm not even using JavaScript. Now watch Jimmy in the wall. Are we debating use CN versus local? No, React versus Tailwind. Actually, we were doing CSS versus SQL. Like, which one do you think we should use? Developing Rust macros at the moment, I'm burning forests. True, true. AI got nothing on that. 94, we get literally 1/20th of a second. That's so funny, dude. You can use CSS as SQL. Yeah, why not? Okay, anyways. So, no, we're using Tailwind, but I have no need to do any of the other goofiness, chat. All right, how can we style this input to look good? Makes Phoenix new and Tailwind's watching everything? No, it doesn't. It doesn't watch every single file. It didn't do every single different case. Sometimes you had to redeploy the assets. Sometimes you had to fix... Nope. It doesn't work every single time. Copy paste from Flowbyte. I want to make it look like this, chat. How can I make this look more like this? Rounded, kind of similar size, etc. This one should be a drop down. We can try and make it be a drop down. Let's try and make it be a selection. Okay, that sounds good. So how can we do this? Have you seen? I have seen V0, yeah. I used it just a tiny bit a while ago. It's pretty cool, actually, I think. Board and BG with rounded quarters. Okay, well, first what we need to do is let's see if we can get the list of color schemes in. Let's first let's hodl on the styling. Let's go back and see if we can get. Let's go back and see if we can get this to work. Okay. So what we need to do is in our Neovim channel, we need to send a list of the possible color schemes. We could do that on connection. We could do that on connection. Forcing. That's me. Forcing. That's me. All right, when we do join, join, we want to go to our payload here. And let's go like this. We can go color schemes, Vim, API, NVim, list, color scheme. Nope, can't do that. Color scheme. I think we can just split the color scheme command, but let's check how telescope, plugins, telescope. Where do we do this again? Telescope, I guess built in, internal, color scheme. I imagine we just did color scheme, split. Okay, we can just do that. Bow, bow, bow. Been a web developer in Net.js last 10 years, still not very good. I was Google, copy paste, and thinking of moving Rust Go. Can you recommend a book? Well, those are pretty different paths. Those are pretty different paths. Which one do you want to do, Rust or Go? Or which one are you going to start with first? I would just say, like, they're pretty different, even though they get mentioned in the same breath a lot. Okay, so we can go back to here. Vim, fn, get completion, color. Rust? Okay, then I would get book Rust. I'm pretty sure is what I have. Yeah, that one. That's the one. Why do you always do... What? Why do you always do Lua equals something instead of just equals? I don't think... Can you just do this? I didn't even know you could do this. Since when have we had that? With args. Oh, nice. That's cool. I didn't know we had it. I don't know how long we've had it. I guess I could find out. I like it. The problem is the completion situation was difficult comparatively to Dadbod. Dadbod just has like a million more like weird edge cases handled of where to suggest completions and what kinds. But I really like the underlying plugin a lot. Let's see. It's probably in here. That was in, where are we? Runtime doc various? Git blame runtime doc various. $10 months ago. Oh, so I mean within the last year. Cool. Nice. We've been through with comp. So like, okay, I'll give you an example. In DBUI, when I'm select star from, I don't have to type public. Here's the first one, right? So this works, but I can just write select star from Teej. So that's one, right? And this works. And when I start typing here, it knows like, it knows the different ones that we have, right? So Twitch. So it just tends to give me better like overall completions from the different ones that I want. I think I don't even remember what I have in this. Yeah, so Twitch like user ID, right? And it'll tell. So it just seems like I get a lot more completions that are more accurate compared to when I was doing CompDB. Well, I just read docs and no code. Do you get a lot of reading books? Only for a few things. I don't read a lot of programming books, but I find the Rust book was very helpful for understanding Rust. It's a huge kickstart. Huge jump on learning Rust comparatively to what like I was trying to do on my own. Okay, so for the payload, we should have debug, join, and we should have payload. Should be able to do this, and we can do start. Where's OCaml? We're gonna write some more OCaml, don't worry. Oh yeah, Chad, look at this. We got our color schemes. We got our color schemes. Chat, how do people do this normally? Do you want something where it's like you can type? Surely there's a Phoenix thing already for like typing in here and filtering for a list of stuff, right? Like that's got to be a thing already. Going to improve it right now. He's just getting something out. Yeah, totally. I much prefer a bunch of the like implementation and oh, what am I trying to say? Like I like the UX better for DB. Yeah. Okay, so there's got to be Shirai. What's it like? Do I need to use Alpine for this? Is there not like a Phoenix thing already for this kind of thing? Like select with a list of possible ones or like type as you go situation? It's Kickstart MM good? I like it, yeah. I always just do it myself. Ugh. But I don't know how to write anything. Just Google it. There probably is one. Make Devin do it. Okay, well, first I need to think about Neovim channel. I need to think about where to put this color scheme. Shenanigans. We're going to actually save this. Yeah, we can ask ChatGPT to do it. I don't know where I want to save this info. Because where am I gonna put it? Shari, didn't you say there's some like key value store that I can use? That like all of these can share or something inside of Phoenix? That's like really easy. ETS. How use ETS Phoenix? Elixir. Use store in production as every session we create an ETS and never clean until we're cleaning up all entries. Woo! Elixir people going wild. Okay, this doesn't seem right. This doesn't seem what I want to do. Pretty dope picture. Yes, in-memory storage. City's function does not invoke a handle call and therefore does not go across instead of accessing ETS table directly. Elixir School, ETS. Nice. Robust in-memory Elixir airline objects. Very cool. Created and owned by individual process. Well, is that what I want? Just wanted to say hi before you're unable to read chat. Dude, I can read. I can read fast enough to keep up with chat. This isn't the Primogen stream, okay? I'm capable of reading. Chat, come on. I know how to read and I do it well. Okay, I know how to do it well, chat. Can you repeat that in 10 seconds? Of course. In like 10 seconds. Is that what you're looking for? I don't know what you were looking for. You have to make the ES store at the right level or the process tree, or I don't know. Sir? Sir? Brace yourself. Go devs incoming. Oh, no. Not this again. It's true. It's true. The Primogen can't read. Like, you just have to say that and chat thinks you're really funny. It's literally free subscribers. RG text up. Boom. Instant sub. The Primogen can't read. Everyone's like, oh, nice joke, dude. Oh, you're a genius. You can't read. True. Chat just spams. True, KegW. True. So true. The Primogen Lover 911. He knows too. True, KW. It's only funny because we like him. Same. It's okay, you're banned in Prime's chat now. What's new? My mod action count is off the charts. The Prime Engine can't read. True. Hey, Lithium. But can you ASCII Doom? I can't. Welcome to the stream. My name's Teej. You may have heard of me. I stream, by the way. By the way, I stream. This guy streams, by the way. Neovim, by the way. Never worked at Netflix, by the way. Private can read in his fault. What are we up to? We've been building what some call the world's most emerging economy. A zeroth world economy. Because it's at the front of the line. Some of you are already familiar with the triangle system, not a pyramid scheme, not to be confused with a pyramid scheme. And you can get your Teej coins, okay? With your Teej coins, you can use them to do stuff inside of my Neovim, okay? So I think, yeah, we're hooked up right now. You can click this button and you get a random color scheme. So you just go to where coins here. It's on right now inside of Neovim, by the way. You can like queue up events. Oh no, what's this? What's this, Nightshade? Timeouts bans 99 plus. That's funny. Can we play Doom in your Neovim? Not yet, but that does seem like a pretty good idea. Yeah, so that's what we've been building. Chat 7TV emotes. Yeah, but 7TV, I was told you the mod. What? Need to be able to evade, postpone taxes. Did you fork CompDB to play around or improve it? I did, yeah, but then I gave up because I liked the dad bod one more. You guys remember Vim Royale? Oh, true OGs remember Vim Royale, yeah. Why light mode? Chat is the one choosing them. It is universal basic income because all you have to do is watch, so it's proof of watch. I do sometimes read YouTube chat, wrong, red. It's proof of watch as well of proof of subscription. So if you subscribe, you get more Teej coins. How do we know what themes do you have downloaded? That's actually what we're working on right now. That's actually what we were about to work on right now. We were just adding the info for this. And then we were reading about, I have 0 Teej coins. You have to get them with channel points. How much coffee sold? It's done. We're sold out. Can't redeem Marimba. I know, sorry. I have it off right now. Page open. I got distracted and then it was sold out. Oh, dang. We're gonna sell more coffee. Don't worry. We're gonna come back. Classic sellout. Yeah, exactly. When do I get my coffee? I think we're shipping this week. It should be hopefully. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get there, but how many beans was that? I didn't count how many beans. Sorry. True. We should show them the tweets. This TJ coffeed, that's me, suffering from success. The face when I can't sell coffee from the terminal because it's already sold out. That's true. We didn't count exactly how many coffee beans we sold, sorry. When's your meeting? In 15 minutes. There's no way Prime remembers either. He's about to start something different and miss the meeting. I know it. I'm already aware that that's what's about to happen. Yeah, I know. I don't know what he told you guys when he was leaving. Do you job? This is my job. He's recording Glove 80 review. There's no chance he remembers. Is he a meeting missing guy? Yeah, constantly. Like, it's actually absurd. I should message him right now. Don't forget we have meeting in 15 min. He already forgot for sure. I mean, that's like, that part's, there's no doubt about it. You know what I mean? Did you build it with Wish? We did use it. We did build the terminal stuff with Wish. Are we going to be joining the meeting? No. I think he's done streaming. He is. I DM'd him. Beowulf, hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate the subs, chat, by the way. He's busy, yeah. Because this is actually my job now. How to redeem Teej coins? It's with channel points. And then you use them with coins. as per my email, he clicked accept on our calendar invite. So that means he's definitely not going to be there. Why is there? Dang, give this guy a puppers. Thank you. Appreciate it. Buy coffee with Teej coins? No, that would be illegal. That would be illegal. You can't convert them to anything in real life, chat. Oh, yeah. Awesome, Steelman. Yeah, glad you like it. Kickstart, by the way. Telescope, by the way. Neovim Core, by Why is that? Doesn't he get calendar notifications? No. But why terminal coffee? Roger, hey, thanks. Thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate it. Give this guy puppers. You should have a bunch of coins now for gifting subs. When you gift subs, you should be getting additional coins. We can actually check by going to the leaderboard and checking give this guy a there you go. If you got 26 coins now. Why is cryptocurrency illegal? Because you can't turn channel points into a crypto. That would be illegal. That's against TOS, chat. You can't do anything with the coins besides goof around on stream. That's all you're allowed to do, okay? We made a bunch of different fun stuff too. Like here, I'll show you. Probably Fog of War is like the coolest one. So like it makes everything you can't see except for right around your cursor. So this one's probably a good one. I like this one a lot. Big part for Kister always said Prime got me wanting to use me, but Teej made it possible. Nice, very cool, Bashful. Gives me anxiety. I bought myself a Lambo. Cool. Wait, that's so creative. Thank you. Snake's pretty funny too. Yeah, Snake is pretty good as well. Are you streaming later after your meeting? Probably not. What if goofing around earned us novelty prizes that you or others had an interest? We're doing channel point microtransactions? Yes. Yes. So we were just in the middle of learning about ETS, which apparently all of the Elixir people were very excited about, because I was trying to figure out how can I save the list of why don't teach an early adopter show a Snake? I can just show you. I'll just show you. It's fine. Where's Snake again? Here goes. Here's Snake. In interview tomorrow, it's like my last job, but different. Okay. So here's Snake. Whoops. It just only keeps track of where I've been, right? So as I move forward like this, we like sort of lose where we've been. Kind of like the game, you know? Like this sort of situation here. So we wrote all of these to do during the stream, right? Did you have infinite Teej coins? I don't, but I sort of do, because I can just go send at TeejDV 1,000, and then I send myself some coins like that. So I do, in a sense, have unlimited coins. So it's also like I can go send at the Primogen minus 1,000, right? And so then we just credited ourselves from Prime's thing. And so Prime is at minus 1,000 coins like this. You guys can't really see. There you go. So it's like kind of similar situation. No, so it's not, it didn't inflate. I just made it equal. I just made it equal. You know what I'm saying? So it's like we've got that all worked out. Federal Reserve taking notes. No, I learned from the best. I learned from the best. Coins for a length of time being subscribed. Like every time you subscribe, you get an additional coin, and you also get more channel points because you're subbed. I may make more of. I may make a higher like amount for resubscribing and stuff like this, but I just haven't done that yet. So you're saying I can be coding at 3 and I send one of these bombs? Actually, what's pretty cool is watch this, chat. So you see how these are enabled right now? If I quit this, you'll notice that, do I have another Neovim connected? Chat. Let's restart this. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there we go. So if I go back to Neovim, it's not started, right? I actually have to go and do start misery, and then look, these enable themselves. Although we must have scuffed something up because we're occasionally seeing doubles. That's pretty weird. I'll have to go check that out. We're still sort of doing a few of these, right? So when I leave, that'll turn back off. Does Is there a command for checking how many Teej coins I have? Dashboard. We'll go back to here. So when I restart here and do start misery, then it'll connect again. I use PopQuest. Bitcoins remove all white space in code, maybe too hard. I mean, we could do that. I don't know if it'd be fun though. Now that we have the key, why do we need to disable? Well, because sometimes I don't want them to execute, right? It's still nice to know that it's not going to happen right now. What was someone asking though? Do you get points gifting subs? You do. You get 5 points for every gifted sub, or more if they're higher tier subs. There's no command for checking the coins. You just go to the dashboard and it'll tell you. Hidden cursor, nice. Hidden cursor is a classic as well. Yeah, Bertrand, I know you're listening to the Neovim lobby. That's fine. I haven't added auth to it, but it doesn't matter. Like you can only like listen to it. It doesn't let you do anything with it right now. First, I guess. So, anyways, here's a good example. Ooh, nice. Okay. Flashbang, indeed. That's more stable than NVIDIA. Frame buffer had issues. Huh? Light mode. Chat, what can I... It's your fault. Make sure your color schemes use gen server at table module list. Oh, cool. Okay. Interesting. Okay, we'll try this. We'll try this, Shirai. Yeah. Mixery lib color schemes.ex. Whoops. Do not, but this impl gen server, but this error does not specify such a callback. Known callbacks are handle call 3. Classic Shirai giving me stuff that doesn't work. So anyways, that's what we've been up to on stream. Did I already connect? Am I connected right now? I think so. Handle call. Got it. Okay. I mean, that's why, I guess that's why it's nice to have this. Even to provide remote development, it'd be cool to make it work similar to Charm and Row Shell. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not super familiar with those. ETS handle call, gen server call at table insert color schemes. Enum map color schemes here. Okay, interesting. So what I need to do is I can just list them by doing this. When are we playing Doom? I wasn't super planning on it, to be honest. So we need to add this to our application, if I recall. This can start towards the beginning, right? It doesn't depend on anything. I could even put this here, ETS tables. Right? Mixery.color schemes. So then the Elixir, is there any remote dev plugin written for Neovim? I don't know. I don't know like what you mean exactly by remote dev. Use G settings to make your entire desktop environment light mode. That's okay. I'm not super feeling like I need to do that. So now we can restart this here. Whoops. So this will have started now, so that's good. 2 remote plugins listed in awesome Neovim. Well, remote dev, yeah, there are some options like distant NVim and stuff like this. You can access this ETS table by PID/name from another process as long as it's public. Like VS it allows you to remote on via collaboration. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know exactly what it looks like. There are some that exist, but I don't really know if they meet what you're looking for. Let's see if Prime remembers. He has not DM'd me back, so I'm confident he's gonna miss the meeting. All right, so if I go to Neovim connections channel here, we should be able to go mixery.color schemes. Was that just VS bleeped out? Is literally the only chat rule. Why are you not bleeping it out? I have tried Fennel before. It's cool. Like it literally just says, it says it in the description, chat. Payload is color schemes. I might just start IRL, yeah. Yes, it didn't get censored, but VS did, yeah. Well, I also don't like cursing, but what can I do? Can't change the world every step at a time. You've only got one thing you can do at a time, right? So the first one is we're gonna try and make VS a curse word. And then the second is we'll have other people learning to use other language. Gives you the big arrow. It's just this and this. Or are you saying this one? This is pipe. Okay, so hypothetically, recompile here. We close this, we open it, we do start misery. This should be fine. So then when we go to what ligature exactly? Pick. Why isn't your music playing anymore? What happened? Wait, did I remove it somehow? First. Do we need some to switch between two files? Yeah, you can just do Control Caret or Control 6. It'll switch between the two files. That's built in. All your pickers are bugging us. No! No, it's not pick. It should be pick's first message of the day is what makes this happen. Oh! It's because when we switch databases, we don't have picks. We don't have picks music anymore. I don't think we have anything in here. Select star from theme songs. Oops. There's nothing in there. It's okay, because watch this, chat. SQLite 3, Mixery dev db. Select star from theme songs. Pick dates your mom. True. Okay, so here we go. This is what we need to put in here. We need to do insert into, is it, I don't know. I forget the insert one now into theme songs. And we need to do Twitch user ID, name, path, length, MS, values. Is it like this, right? Oops. Oh, we're so back. We're so freaking back. So freaking back.
His white paper's tight, ready to ignite. Haskell conference, the perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline.
He sees decline.
His heart sinks, motions start to fray. His code's a masterpiece, no room to sway.
No sway.
Rejected again, he can't understand why. Pete won't give up, no, he'll reach for the sky.
Reach the sky. Oh, pick. Here comes the best part.
It's just the start. Pete's pushing sanity, falling apart. Through the glitches and errors, he won't break. Pete won't stop. He's taking your mom on a date.
On a date, on a date, on a date, on a date. Oh, yeah. This song is so good. Dance break. Dance break. This is dope. I noticed. I'm responding to everything chat says. Who made this? This song was made from AI with a slight modification.
About
What's going on with my voice? We ruined it. We ruined it. We ruined it. I don't know what happens. I don't know what happened. I give up. We switched to prime singing. Micro Teej.
hello? Hi, why? Why? What is happening? This is the Primogen. Hey everybody, I made Doom in the terminal. Woohoo!
Okay, we have to rate somebody because I have my meeting.
5, which is obviously a good.
Let's send everyone over to Thor.
This right here. Teach SI X80D dot each other. I know that's a weird.
Dang it, Madam, he's not. We're gonna send everyone to
username,
Thor
but, like,
today,
it's
though.
Great.
No, you
does Wisdom
don't,
work?
and
Type
you
in
know it.
Wisdom.
No, I need to go to the meeting because I'm at least gonna talk.
Then you can use it to cast spells. We need to put some better information on it. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
bye,
yeah,
chat.
that's right.
To yourself?
But
No, there's still another person. Do we not have
this, I'm gonna
pod?
type in a thing like spells.
Where
That's
is-
the command center to do that.
Dang.
Switch as well?
We
Okay,
need
let me
we
do
need to
that now.
send Thor
We
the
may have
clip of
escalated, so
me
fix it.
doing
just fix
both
that, so
impersonations
we'll
on the
turn
Prime
that server
Prime guys. I only know Kroot. You can just say Envim, by the way. That's probably a good one.
Cool. Okay, that makes sense.
Envim, by the way, Brazil mentioned, same thing. Like this.
Mistrust. Acma,
Like that.
please.
Do that, chat. That's the one. That's the one today, okay? That's the message.
And this is going.
And by the way, / Brazil mentioned same thing.
Oh,
Okay, bye everyone. See you later. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow for more Brazil. More Brazil. Bye everyone.
all right. That is up.
Bye,
Can you test it
YouTube.
now? Since you already have a test case up.
Bye YouTube. Thanks for hanging out. See you later.
Wizmud. And so it begins, the great Wizmudding of our time. Is that Teej? My God. Teej, what have you done?
Just watch the next video.